Hello, parents and teacher. My name is Rodrigo Zapata. I have 27 years old. I am telecommunication technologist and studying telecommunication engineering. I am single. I am a happy and conservative person. And I live in Bogota in the neighborhood Suba. I am going to recreate the situation too in the restaurant. Hello. Might you have a table for two? Yes, sir. I have one. Could you follow me? Yes, of course. This is our menu. Call me when you need to order. Okay, where? Where? I want the tomato sauce as a star, and the grilled meat with lemon juice. I would like a potatoes portion. Of course, I'm ready. For me, I will fish salad with weather. Yes. Waiter, can you bring me an ice cream? Yes, sir. I offer of chocolate, vanilla, and coffee. I will take the coffees one. And should I have the bill? Yes, sir. Should I bring one? Should I bring one? The bill or two? Only one bill, please. And may I pay with credit card? No, sir. Uh, you must pay cash.